In this video, I'll guide you through how to activate international roaming on T-Mobile. Whether you're planning a trip abroad or preparing for an important international business trip, activating international roaming ensures you can stay connected wherever you go. Let's get started. First, you'll need to access your T-Mobile account. You can do this by opening the T-Mobile app on your smartphone or by visiting the T-Mobile website on your computer. Both options will allow you to make the necessary changes to your account settings. Once you're logged in, look for the account section. This is where you can manage all aspects of your T-Mobile service. Next, navigate to the Add-ons or Manage Data and Add-ons section. Here, you'll find various options you can add or modify on your plan, including international services. This section is specifically designed to help you tailor your plan to fit your needs, whether you're traveling or just looking for extra features. Now scroll down to the Services section. This is where you'll find the international roaming option. Scan through the list until you spot it. Once you do, go ahead and select it. This will bring up the settings you need to adjust in order to activate the service. Once you've opened the international roaming settings, you'll see an option to either turn it on or check a box to activate it. This step is crucial as it officially enables the service on your account. After making this change, be sure to save your changes. This ensures that the activation is complete and ready for use. Finally, there's one more step to consider. When you arrive in another country, go into your phone settings and make sure data roaming is turned on. This is often found under mobile networks or cellular settings depending on your device. Ensuring that data roaming is activated on your phone allows you to access mobile data, make calls, and send messages without interruption while you're abroad. And that's how you activate international roaming on T-Mobile. By following these steps, you can travel with peace of mind, knowing you'll stay connected no matter where your journey takes you. Safe travels!